Hi guys, today we're going to be making a Turkish pastry slash bread that's called Açma, and it's very good. One of them we made it just plain, and the other one we will be adding a filling, so you can try either or both and let us know what you think. So first you're going to start off with your dry ingredients, just some flour, salt, and sugar. You could use erythritol and monk instead for a healthier alternative to just cane sugar. And then you're going to add some yeast. So this bread is going to require some rising time because it's a little bit alive. And then add your water. Mix that until it gets a little bit crumbly, and then you're going to put 3/4 cup of warm milk and continue mixing. And then once that starts forming a little bit more, you're going to throw in some olive or avocado oil. So yeah, I guess it's just stages with the bread. Make sure to wait until each liquid is fully incorporated and then add the next one in. And lastly, you're going to add 1 whole egg with the yolk and the white, and then an additional egg white. And mix that all up. We will be using the egg yolk from that egg in a separate step, so do not throw it away, just keep it to the side for a little bit. But yeah, once that's a fully formed dough, you just want to smush it together into a nice ball shape, put it aside to proof until it rises for about 30 minutes. You could also put it in a convection drawer or your oven if it's not hot enough where you're at. But yeah, this all depends on your circumstances, and you know better than us what that is. So then, once that's all proofed up, you can just cut those into nice, even slices to form into individual dough balls. So in this case, my mom just made 8 of them. And cover those and put them to the side as well, just so that they do not lose their softness or become hard from the top. And then you're going to start fully forming the way the bread's gonna look. So roll out into hot dog shape and then use a rolling pin to flatten that out. You're going to put a layer of butter and you're going to score the dough down the middle with just like the pizza roller. We have a mini one. It's very nice. And then you're going to roll horizontally and twist into the center, kind of like a pretzel, but you're just going to make it a nice round shape. Repeat that for all of the different doughs. And this one we're going to fill with cheese. So before adding the butter, make sure to lay that on there. And my mom is going to link a link into that video of how she likes to make her cheese. This is actually called Circassian cheese, and it's very good. So you should check it out. Usually it's served as a full block, kind of, but in cases like this where you want to use it in pastries, it can become very crumbly and nice. So she is folding this one a little bit differently. Instead of pinching into the center, she wrapped it around. So I guess you could experiment with different folding techniques and different fillings. I'm very curious what other fillings would taste good with this dough. So if you guys come up with any cool ones, you should definitely let us know. Yeah, this one she didn't score at all. She just pinched down the middle and is just flattening out with her hands. And then she's going to do the wrap around and make a nice pretzel-y, twisty dough. Finally, before baking in the oven, we're going to bring back that egg yolk I was talking about earlier and just add a splash of vanilla to it. We're going to use this as a egg wash coat on each of these so that it becomes super nice and golden brown in the oven, and it'll be really hard on the outside and very soft on the inside. Very yummy. So just try to cover that as evenly as you can on each of the doughs. My mom likes to use that little, I don't know, brush to apply it. You could also use, I guess, your hands, but that's just more convenient. And then just sprinkle on some sesame seeds to finish off. Put that in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep an eye on it, and it should turn out like this color. It was super good, and I really liked it because you could tear off each piece and kind of eat it, yeah, like that. Isn't very messy, and it's very good. So this was my dad eating it and showing you exactly how you should be splitting it. It's cool because like you could make a really big one and share with a lot of different people because it just tears apart like that. So it's very nice and it's very convenient. But that's it. We hope you guys enjoy making this pastry and that it's as good for you as it was for us. Happy Açma! Bye bye!